What's up, YouTube? It's your favorite chef, Chef G, and I'm back in the kitchen, y'all. And I have a new apron. Thanks to Z Credibles for creating this apron for me. It's a tie-dye with multiple colors that says The Blessed Chef. Y'all know what it is. If you're interested in something, let me know. Alright, so what we're going to be making today is called Bourbon Chicken. Okay? We're going to get right into these ingredients so we can get cooking. So what you're going to need is about 3.5 to 4 pounds of chicken cubed up. You're going to need some cornstarch, about 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, a half teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of ground garlic. Ground onion powder. 1/3 cup of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of soy sauce, 1 cup of apple juice, a 3/4 cup of chicken stock, 1.5 cups of water. You're going to need some oil as well when you're doing your chicken for frying, but you'll do that as you need it. So without further ado, let's get this chicken seasoned and mixed with our cornstarch. Alright, so we're going to take our chicken, add our salt and pepper, and give this a good mix just to make sure everything gets nice and coated. The flavor is going to be in the sauce that we're making, but you also want to, put a little flavor on your chicken as well. We're going to divide this up in 2 batches and coat this with the cornstarch. Alright, so what I've done, I've taken some of my chicken out of this bowl to separate it, doing this in batches. I have my oil heating up. I have about 5 tablespoons of oil getting ready. So I'm going to add roughly about 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of cornstarch just to get it nice and coated. Okay, this will aid in helping get crispy chicken and what you want when you're putting some type of sauce on it. Okay, this will also aid in thickening up your sauce as well. So we're going to get this mixed and then we're going to get over to the stove. Alright, now that our oil is nice and hot, we're going to go ahead and add in our chicken. Allow them to crisp up on all sides. We'll take them out, put them on a plate, and let them drain while we finish up the rest of our chicken. Alright, this is what your chicken should look like when it comes out of the oil. I'm on my last batch now, so we're going to go ahead and get started with our sauce. Alright, in my pan, I'm going to add my water. My chicken stock. My apple juice and my soy sauce. I'm going to allow this to come up to a boil and then we'll add in our seasoning. Alright, now that our sauce has come up to a boil, we're going to add in our ketchup, brown sugar, garlic, ginger, onion powder, and red pepper flakes. Alright, that's our brown sugar. Our 2 tablespoons of vinegar, ketchup, our ginger, red pepper flakes, and onion powder, and our garlic. We're going to allow this to come up to a simmer and reduce by about 1/3, and then we're going to add in our chicken. Alright, now that our sauce has reduced by 1/3, we're going to add our chicken back in, allow it to come back up to a boil once again, turn it down to a simmer, and allow it to thicken. This process should take about 15, maybe 20 minutes, just depending on your stove. But it will thicken, and that's what you want it to do. Make sure you make this recipe, y'all. I got me some broccoli over here steaming to go along with it. I got me some white rice, and we're gonna have a good dinner. Like I said, make this recipe. Very simple. Takes about 30 minutes to make. But as always, don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video. Tell me what you like. Tell me some things to do. And until next time, y'all be blessed. Chef G is checking out. Peace.